Talking Room minibar. Every day we provide you water to drink, any other snack or beverage. You just go to Joe Marshall. There's a coffee shop outside here right inside.
Thank you.
It's in a box.
We are on the way to our room right now. We are on the way to our room right now. What's that? Which floor are we going? Third floor. Nice. Then we can see the view from our room.
Press it.
I think I didn't. This is how we open, and it's not working.
You need to turn it around so I can work that.
There you go. That's the So this is the walk-in closet. We have bathroom, big space, and we can put our. And what's this? Oh, okay. This is ironed. Big umbrella. Nice. So this is, we're gonna hide our luggage later. Our luggage is not here yet. And small bathtub. Where's the light? They're supposedly here to explain us how to work. We are in a big group, so maybe they're busy with somebody else, so we do it ourselves. And then when they come here later to explain it to us, we already know what to do. So yeah, very nice. What is inside? Oh, okay. All the stuff that you need. Look at that, just in case of emergency. Sewing kit or something. Sanitary bag. And lotion. Water. So it's his and hers. What's in here? Dryer. Oh my goodness, this is cute. I like their garbage can. And this is okay. This is the bathroom. And this is the shower room. That's the shower room. And the bathtub, which I already. And this is our bedroom. What did you find out?
It should cost us $10.
Yeah. There. What's the size of the TV?
Oh, close to a 65 inch.
Close to 65 inches. And they are here. Just arrived.
Oh, yeah.
How is everything in the room?
Good.
Welcome home, friends. Open the balcony already.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already checked it out. We are so excited.
For being easy for you, just handle it all the way down.
Right.
There is
Oh,
open.
okay.
Up, it's closed.
Okay.
You have your minibar over here. Just water in the minibar. You have some points in your bracelet that you're gonna use it for the minibar. For that, you come to the gym merchant that is next to the lobby where you just made the check-in.
Okay.
You finish ice. We have ice machine outside here in the corridor.
Okay.
Here, you can make your own coffee. And on the TV, you have the app from the hotel. Inside the app, you can see the room service menu, the spa service, and all the information about the hotel. Here is to order the service that you need. You just press it on the phone, and then we take care of you. And over here, you can control the AC. You can use Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can hit there. And down here is to request the service in the room, like a housekeeping, do not disturb, and the sleep mode that turn off the lights in the room. So for the lights on, the bed have to be red like this now. Okay? And over here, the gray switch is the master switch from the room. This one cut off all the power in the room.
Oh,
Okay.
In case that happen, you push twice to get the power again.
okay.
The others are for the lights and USB phone chargers. This is one speaker to play music. You have a sliding door here, you can open here.
Oh, okay. I thought like.
And for the hot water, take like a 40 seconds to get warm. So the first one always cool, okay?
Okay.
And over here you have the walking clothes, the last part. In here you have the safe box. To use it is 4 or 6 digit end lock. They have the instruction. And
Okay.
there you have item board, and umbrella just in case. Any
Okay.
question?
No,
No, we're good for
Have a
now.
nice day, friends.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Somebody's relaxing or try to.
Soli. Montessori. And Asian cuisine. Punch bar. 5 o'clock somewhere, swim up more. Compass bar. So we have rum runners, Elambic, SOS, 5 o'clock somewhere. We're over here in the adults only section. And here's the map. The whole place. Thank